What can explain the sudden appearance of a phenomenon such as school shootings in a territory where it was previously uncommon? How can it be explained other than by outside interference? After all, what has changed in Russia since the times when such crimes were unheard of? What has changed is that anti-cultism has gained unprecedented power and influence here. Today, Russian media deliberately spreads the narrative that the cause of mass school shootings in Russia is the influence of similar incidents in the United States. To implant this idea in the masses, the same image of such a crime, Columbine, is most often used. In news reports about school shootings in Russia, you will frequently find a parallel drawn specifically with the Columbine case.
What happened at the Moscow school is being called the American scenario by the Russian press. Incidents like this do indeed happen often in the U.S.
School shootings are common in the U.S., but not in Russia.
Shootings and hostage situations are indeed not uncommon in American schools. A student or former student with a rifle in hand, that's the typical anti-hero of local news.
However, as I mentioned earlier, the first instance of such supposed imitation in Russia occurred in 2017, 18 years after the Columbine events. Why did it take so long for the first imitator to appear in Russia? The answer is simple. Because it's not just imitation. Someone allowed this precedent to happen in Russia and ensured it received widespread publicity.